Regarded as one of New Zealand's best fishing locations, with stunning landscapes and prime coastal environment for water sports activities, Coromandel is located in the northeastern part of the North Island. The peninsula spans 85 kilometres in length and 40 kilometres at its widest point. It is an ideal place for kayak fishing, with 3 coastlines facing east, west and north directions. Within these coastlines are many sheltered bays, estuaries, harbours and offshore islands on all sides. These offshore islands are great places to find fish, with all of them offering food, shelter and terrain for marine life to exist. Great kayak fishing territory is not only found at the many islands located offshore, but also in close around the coastline running along the peninsula. With many prime areas on offer, Coromandel is a kayak angler's paradise. Getting organised here to have our first cast of the day. It's first thing in the morning, sun's just risen up and we're sitting out the front of the Coromandel harbour having a bit of a look around for some snapper, and we're just going to put a soft bait on the hook and throw it out and see what we can come up with. Had a bit of an inquiry then. Yes! Yes! Good fish. Good first fish. And it's off! Screaming! Nice snapper! Oh! Dropped it! Might come back for another go, hopefully. Just had a really nice hit then. There we go, and it's back! Yes! Good fish! She's peeling line off. Give it a good strike, make sure you set that hook properly. Got a bit of grunt to it, still peeling line. Hopefully it doesn't take me in the reef. It's definitely doing a good job of it at the moment. Just got to take our time and try and get it to turn around. Holy! Oh, this one's peeling me hard. Oh no. I hope we don't go into the reef. Yes, feels good. She's a good fish. Just play it all smart. Keep it nice and take your time. I can see it. Oh, it's a beautiful snapper. Oh my goodness, it's a good 18-pound snapper. She's not ready to give up yet. You beauty. And there we go. Look, what a beautiful fish. Look at that. That's a stunner. She's a beautiful fish. Thanks for the fight, buddy. That was fun. She's ready to go. She's kicking. Off you go, mate. Well, we're here on one of the mussel farms, and there's been a barge just pulled up here, just harvested, and yeah, I just thought I'd come over and have a little bit of a look. It's I'm sort of right against the lines, just sitting here, and I can see on the sounder there's heaps of fish underneath. There we go. I just hooked up. You beauty. Oh, good fish. Good fish. Awesome. This has got plenty of grunt to it. It's pumping away. Oh boy. This is hard in these farms. This is where you can get dealt to so badly. This guy's a solid fish. Oh man, I'm going to try to pull him out away from the lines, but he'll definitely try and go towards the farms. And yeah, these guys are very, very smart customers. He's just sitting there. He's found the lines, and he's got me in the farm, this guy. He's a good solid fish, but boy is he we'll let the line loose and see if we can get him to swim back out. Quite often that will happen with these guys. He's still there, I can feel him, but yeah, he's got me pasted into the farms. What a shame. We'll let the line loose and we'll just wait and see what happens. But man, you saw that as I was bringing the line back up, he just smashed it. And yeah, you don't stand a chance on this light gear in the farms here. They just paste you, take you to the cleaners. There we go, it finally broke me off. Today we're heading off to one of the islands out from Paparaha called Happy Jacks. It's about a 7k paddle from Paparaha campground, and we're just heading out there to see what we can find out offshore today. Beautiful day, forecast to 5 knots, couldn't ask for a better day. Just turned up at the Happy Jacks, and what an awesome morning. Calm as you can see behind me, it's like a mirror. It's getting a few inquiries right in. Oh yeah, there we go. Not a big fish, but good fun. Right in against the rocks. Real kelpie. See you later, buddy. Just picked up quite a nice fish off the sand while I just let the soft bait sit on the bottom while I mucked around setting something else up. Well, we're around the back of Happy Jacks now on the outside. What a stunner day. I've just had a bit of a throw around of some stick baits in hope of sort of finding a kingy that might be in the area, but no luck so far. But however, there is some good snaps here. You just gotta love these snapper they put up. They're such a lot of fun. They're our main target species in the north up here, so see you, buddy. Just had a bit of a cast around. There's a couple of gannets diving, and thought I'd drop my soft bait down underneath and just see what it produced, and sure enough, we're hooked up on what feels like a pretty decent snapper. Probably not huge, but it's staying pretty deep, and it's yeah, it's got a bit of fight to it. It's towing the kayak around a bit, so. But yeah, we're just bringing it up nice and slowly. We're in 27 metres, so no hurry. Just keep hold of the fish. They're the best snapper I've taken today yet, so it's always worth checking under those gannets when they dive down. Here it comes. Nice panty fish. Nothing wrong with that. Beautiful. Good eating size. Well, we're right in against the Happy Jacks here in the middle of the bay, and it's quite surprising how many fish are around in this little part of the bay. This is a nice eating size snapper, good 40 something centimetre fish. We'll let him go. See you later, buddy. Late afternoon. We've been out here all day. We've caught so many fish. Lots of smaller ones, but all very legal fish, and certainly wouldn't be complaining if you were coming out for a feed. We're at the Happy Jacks, and we're going to continue to fish around the island. It's around the backside of Happy Jacks at Elephant Cove, and yeah, having a bit of a look around here, and coming up now. I can just see it. She is. Beautiful fish. Right in close. It's a bit of a dark patch here, and gives the fish a bit of a cover of low light. They like it. Makes them want to feed. Anyone who pulled a fish like this would have to be extremely happy. Lovely fish. See you, buddy. Just hooked up on a nice fish just around the corner, right against the rocks. The fish is starting to show up in close now. Woo-hoo-hoo. Still peeling a bit of line now and then. She's not ready to give up though. Just starting to show now. This fish put up a fairly decent fight. Oh yeah, not a bad one at all. Nice eating size fish. Beautiful snap. Beautiful colours on it. She smashed the soft bait. Absolutely nailed it. There we go. Just a nice pan-sized fish. Look at that. Lovely. Lovely colours on it. Just in amongst some schools of kahawai. And a lot of birds working. Let's see if there's anything underneath them. You can see them splashing and carrying on in front of us. There we go. Fish underneath those birds and fish working on the surface. It's not a big fish, this guy, but it just shows you they're down there. I'm using a 3/8 of an ounce jig head, which is fairly light, and it just shows you can get down there with light heads. All you got to do is let it sink for long enough, and once you do that, then you get in the zone where the fish are and let them go anyways. As soon as you get to the bottom, bang, straight into a fish, and here it comes. Just a small pan-sized snapper, but they seem to be everywhere at the moment. Yeah, there's lots and lots of birds working everywhere. Just awesome to see. They're going nuts. There's just bait. There's food for Africa in the water. Food everywhere. The place is just loaded with it. Yes! Oh yeah, good fish. Nice. As soon as it hits the bottom, this guy feels pretty decent. Might have the bottom or something. Let's let the line off and see if he swims out. He's still on there. Yep, here we go. Yeah, got a nice fish then, and then he either took me in the bottom, and it's all sandy, so I don't know what he hooked me up on, but whatever it is. And he's still there too. Finally he's coming up. I don't know what we've got here, but he's certainly it's a bit of a dead weight. It's a good snapper that just took me to the bottom and held me there. It was quite bizarre. He's been through a bit of an ordeal, I would imagine, this guy. Beautiful snapper. Good eating size. Another nice fish on the bottom. There seems to be plenty of them. Not huge again, but a good eating size fish. Good fun on this light gear too. Here we go. And he's a guy here. He's a good panny. And very fat. We're in again. Another pan size snapper on the bottom in this workout. Good as the last one though. We've just on our way back, and as you can see, beautiful night out there, and hooked up on on a kahawai that's just going ballistic. What a end to a stunning day. That sunset behind us is truly magnificent. And here we are, hooked up on a really nice fish. This kahawai's just jumping and he's just going for it. He's not... Beautiful sized kahawai. And such good fun on this light gear. Here we go. Come on, matey. We'll let you go. Good sized kahawai. Oh, and he got off. He just released himself. Oh, time to go.
Beautiful fish.